Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Superb Ventures with David. Are you ready for some tips on how you can best prepare for the next season, spring, which is right around the corner? Then you're joining me on an awesome adventure. This time, the season. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before this video starts, I want to remind you all to please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. It really helps out my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Superb Ventures with Nathan. So today, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to prepare for spring. So the first thing is, I think most of us know, but I decided to make this video just to kind of something different than just the usuals, and maybe I'm sharing you with some things that you don't know yet. So first thing is DIY decorations. Definitely creating vibrant wreaths, painted air plant bell cups as they list online, and some fabric covered spring bases to definitely have your home that kind of those spring vibes just fill up the space and it accumulates, so that's really nice. And then some spring wreaths that you can do. I think we all love a good wreath. You can hang up a spring wreath on your door to really bring in the vibes, again welcoming the season, enlightening your home, getting that fresh scent of spring in. Again, another thing is spring is all about, it's time for flowers to bloom. So if you're a planter, you have a garden, this is the perfect time of year where your crops start growing, especially those that died during the winter. This is definitely a chance to redeem your garden experience and really have that full captivation in this moment. So floral arrangements, you can use seasonal flowers and greenery to kind of just spruce things up and refresh your space. You can also, they say online, you can also consider making DIY paper flowers or potted paper flower balls for a kind of a nice little touch there if you want to, have that creative outlet. And also spring is definitely a great time to declutter. So anything, if you have junk in your house, anything that's like you feel like just basically has to go, this is the perfect time to declutter, which they also call it spring declutter for a reason, because it's that kind of season where, it's not the only season where you're making a big change. I think for me, it would be winter to summer. Obviously, I think for most of us, it's cold, and then suddenly summer it's super hot, and we're all wearing tank tops and trying to wear shorts because it's like we're just sweating like in the blizzarding heat. So definitely declutter your space. Anything you don't use, maybe if you feel like you want to get some good profit and it's worth selling, try selling it on eBay or any like websites that that are good for selling things. I definitely have some things that I need to get rid of, so I need to look through my closet and my room and see what I have to just get rid of, and then switch out heavy winter fabrics. And hence again, time to swap clothes and refresh your sheets and vases, which I just did right here, and to create a lighter, more inviting atmosphere. And then the last thing is definitely implementing cherished items from your home. They also say online that could be, for instance, branches and flowers to really bring in that feel of spring without spending a whole ton of money. Just if you're able to use what you have, don't go out buying decorations. I know Dollar Tree, they have a spring section, so you can always look at there for some great finds, cheap finds if you want to. But that's really it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully learn something new. And if you know it'll help someone else, please feel free to share. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye everybody.